Let's talk about some smart ways to do a 1031 exchange. A 1031 exchange, of course, we know it's powerful, right? In this lesson, we will discuss the concept of the step-up basis and 5 additional tips for making the most out of 1031 exchange. So remember in our previous lesson, step-up basis is the ultimate smart strategy. A step-up basis is a tax provision that allows the heir of an inherited property to have its basis reset to fair market value at the time the original owners did. So here how it works and why it is beneficial. Let's look at the continuous exchanges until death strategy. So the investor can continue to perform 1031 exchanges throughout their lifetime. So by continually deferring taxes, they can reinvest the full proceeds from each sale into new properties, potentially growing their real estate portfolio significantly. The next point is benefit for heir. So with the step-up basis, when the investor passes away, the heirs inherits the property at its current market value, not the original purchase price. So this means the heir will not have to pay capital gain tax on the appreciation that occurred during the investor timeline. There's some flexibility for heir. So heir can choose to either keep the property benefiting from its ongoing income and appreciation potential, or sell it without facing significant tax burden that the original investor deferred. Let's look at an example scenario. So let's look at the investor timeline activity. So suppose investor buy a property for $300K and over the years perform several 1031 exchanges, trading up the property. So now they hold a portfolio worth $1 million. So the capital gain tax differs. So if the investor has sold the property instead of exchanging them, they would owe capital gain tax on $700,000 appreciation. Say the market price is $1 million, right? Minus the cost basis, which is $300K. So that's why you have the $700K gain that you would have to pay tax on. So let's look at the heir's benefit. So when the investor passes away, the heir inherits the $1 million property. So the heir basis now and the property is $1 million. So if the heir sells the property at this value, they owe no capital gain tax at all. So how wonderful is that, right? Let's move on to our next topic.